just because you're wearing a mask doesn't mean your breath needs to be funky. I'm just saying. Hey guys, welcome back to another As Seen by SB video, but today I'm not letting you know whether a product's worth it or not. I just want to let you know about this mask accessory that is an absolute must-have. So in this video, I will discuss how wearing a mask bracket will make wearing a mask for a long period of time much more tolerable. But first, just make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you don't miss any information that I may review on products that may interest you. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you find this information, this video, helpful to you, I would definitely appreciate a thumbs up. But for now, let's get on to the demonstration. So this is what mine looks like. Again, this is made of plastic. There's other brands that are made of silicone rubber, but this came in a packet of 5, and as you can see, it is very flexible. Now, no one loves wearing a mask, so there's going to be some pros and cons to any mask accessory. I mean, because at the end of the day, you're still wearing a mask. Now, what I love about this is that it allows more space when you put on your mask so that you're able to breathe better, you're able to talk a little bit clearer, and when you're talking or breathing in, you're not sucking in and eating your mask. And for us females, if you happen to wear lipstick under your mask or even chapstick under your mask, it won't rub off onto the mask. Now, one other thing to keep in mind is the dimensions of this mask. This is about 4 inches wide and 3.6 inches in length. So if you have a bit of a larger face than what I have, just keep that in mind. I mean, it's still beneficial regardless, but it's all in what you can tolerate. Here's an image of my brother, who is actually the one that put me onto these mask brackets in the first place. So shout out to him. But as you can see, he's still able to comfortably wear this mask, and he has a large beard. So I'm going to show you how this works on a variety of masks, but just to show you how you would use it, you just place it on the inside of your mask here. This is a cloth mask, and once it's in there, you then take it and just put it on like that, and it fits comfortably on your face. And as you can see, as I'm breathing in, this is not touching my mouth at all. Now, the one thing I noticed in the description, it says that this will prevent your glasses from fogging up. But what I noticed is it actually does not prevent your glasses from fogging up. That's contingent on the type of mask you have. Make sure you have the mask that has the nose bridge there. And when you wear your glasses, wear it slightly over the mask there so that your glasses won't fog up that way. Now, this is a side view of the mask. I don't think it looks any different than if you didn't have it on under it, but regardless, I mean, I just love the fact that there's no more friction between the mask and my mouth. One other thing that I noticed, that as you're wearing this all day and you're breathing in and out, there will be a little bit of moisture that'll build up on the inside of your mask bracket. But again, for me, that's still not a deal breaker. So one other thing, as you can see, I just took it off. You can see a little bit of moisture from the mask bracket there. But I mean, that's as simple as just taking a napkin and wiping it off. I had lotion on my face, so it happens. All right, so I'm just going to show you a few examples of how it can fit on a variety of masks. It can fit on disposable masks and your washable masks. So first I have the disposable mask. Now, if you're wondering what these little clips are, this is only for disposable masks, where you take the clip and you push it down into the cleats. Sorry, you can't really see that, but you push it down into the cleats, and that helps to hold it in place. Now, I don't really find that necessary. I still think that you could just lay it inside of the mask and it works fine that way. And this is what it looks like on. And again, this is what the washable mask looks like. This one has a filter where you can actually put the filter on the inside. I don't have one in there right now, but same deal. You just lay that on the inside and place it on your face. And another washable mask. This one is actually a little bit larger. And as I mentioned before, it does fit a little bit better when you have a mask that fits a little tighter to your face, but I still didn't find any issues with this one either. And one more thing before I let you go, might I suggest a little bit of breath etiquette. This awesome mouthwash by Act. It also has a pre-measured cap here. Also 0% alcohol, so it won't burn your mouth. Also, these amazing tongue scrapers, these come 2 in a pack on Amazon. As you can see here, it eliminates functified breath. I mean, just because you're wearing a mask doesn't mean your breath needs to be funky. I'm just saying. All right, so that's it. Thank you again for watching. If you have any questions, leave that down in the comments section. And if this video was helpful to you, I would love a thumbs up. And if you enjoy the content of this channel, As Seen by SB, where I let you know whether a product's worth it or not, in my opinion, I would definitely love for you to subscribe to this channel. But until next time, be safe and take care.